Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo. MKO All-Rounder is in the house.
I'm already seated. What is trending today?
All right. Tinubu is in Paris. He needs prayers to get out of agony and anguish. Primate Ayodele. As the 29th May inauguration approaches, Nigerians are anxiously waiting to welcome the Nigerian government headed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president-elect, come May 29. The spiritual leader of Imri Evangelical Spiritual Church, Primate Ayodele, raised a concern about the health of Tinubu, urging Nigerians to pray for him. He asked that Nigerians should stop playing Tinubu's health with politics. Nigerian resident doctors on strike. Patient suffers as Nigerian doctors move on with strike. The 5-day warning strike embarked on by doctors under aegis of the National Association of Resident Doctors has continued to disrupt health services across public hospitals in Nigeria. Plateau attack. National President's Magavul Development Association, Joseph Gwankat, disclosed that 85 persons were killed when gunmen invaded some communities in Mangu local government area of the state. Mass burial has been given to the 85 persons who lost their lives in Plateau State. So MKO All-Rounder with the trending, Ayodele said Tinubu is sick.
I don't know what's really wrong with this man called Ayodele, pastor or prophet. I've never heard that Tinubu is sick. He didn't tell us that he's sick. Even the spokesman, Bayo Onanuga, I've never told Nigeria that his principal is sick. Or Festus Keyama that told us that Tinubu is sick. So, to we in Nigeria, we believe that Tinubu is healthy. He is sound and healthy. You understand? So, Tinubu is not sick. If you are seeing it in spiritual way, you understand, as a pastor or prophet, then it's in spiritual. And Tinubu is not in spiritual. We are in the physical. Tinubu is in London now, refreshing, waiting for inauguration on May 29. Bam! That's what we are helping. We are waiting for. So, as he is pastor or prophet prophesying that Tinubu is okay, all these things, they should not play politics with his head, they should not do it. But Tinubu is a politician. You understand? We will play politics with Tinubu. Tinubu will play politics. That's what we call politics in democracy. That is my term. So now, Tinubu is all right with us. It's not, I don't know that Tinubu is sick. He's not sick. He has never told us that he's sick.
Thank you very much. Resident doctors are on strike right now. This is day 3 of the strike.
Now, resident doctor, I take God begging now. I beg. Don't go on strike, because we don't know the meaning interpretation of the resident doctor in Nigeria go on strike. In Nigeria, we have problem already, and all our politicians, our big men, if they sick, they will go to abroad. They have their doctor, their hospital in abroad. But Ogbeni Oranda, I don't have abroad doctor. I don't have overseas a doctor. I cannot go to abroad. I don't have money to travel abroad. So I need the hospital here to be working. Please don't put us in problem. Don't go to strike.
But they are demanding for their rights.
What any rights you are demanding? Understand? You're supposed to have a human face. Just let
don't you think they are entitled
let it have human face? You know the condition of Nigeria. How many hospitals in Nigeria? You understand? Even the hospital is not working. So you are still want to go on strike. It's like you are having
Do you want them to be working without getting their benefits?
They will be giving you benefits. Don't worry. After May 29, Nigeria will be good. Don't worry. You will have your benefit. Don't go on strike, please. I warn you. Don't go on strike.
You
please,
beg them or you want them?
I beg you and I warn you. Please, unless you want to kill us, finish.
Thank you. Plateau State attack all-rounder. About 85 persons were given mass burial.
See what I'm saying? 85 people died. You see what I'm saying in Nigeria? You see,
Attack.
through the attack, now they are seeing security seriously in Nigeria. Now we are talking of Plateau, about 85 died. The attack 85 killed 85. Sometimes ago I heard about Kaduna's South, they killed, and then Benue they killed, and now insecurity everywhere. And the resident doctor now, we now look all that and wanted to go on strike. The ones that they got injury, who will treat them? The problem is too much. But what I know, you understand, as a Nigeria and all this thing that is happening, you understand, by the grace of God, it has been settled. After May 29, you understand? Anything I talk will make you believe me. Okay. By May 29, Nigeria will be settled. Doctor will not go on strike again. The hospital will work fine.
How are you sure?
All this saga, all this killing, it will stop. You understand? That is what I pray for. And that is what will happen.
May God answer our prayers.
Bam.
All right, all-rounder, thank you very much for this wonderful time spent with you on Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo.